Science is that gathering of knowledge, that inch by inch journey to that all-knowing.
I think the future of science and engineering will be pretty awesome. It's pretty exciting right now as it is.
I love medical science as well as engineering.
I love the idea of working at the cutting edge of technology, and that's just incredibly fun. I love that.
I want to be the doctor that improves the human condition.
I think the future is based almost completely around STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics.
I've always had an interest in earthquakes and plate tectonics, and this seemed like an interesting concept to flesh out.
This project really inspired me to push that dream forward and pursue a career in medicine.
I've seen firsthand people living in third world communities without the basic necessities of power and clean water. I wanted to create a device that solves these two problems in an inexpensive and easy to use device.
I did this project with a friend, and our project centred around the GRACE satellites, which is a pair of satellites that orbit the Earth, collecting information about changes in the Earth's gravity.
My project was entitled K-Room 1.9, a possible treatment for Alzheimer's.
Well, I'm using a microphone array and a system called sound localization.
I really like chemistry.
I taught myself to develop inexpensive prosthesis.
I would try to create assistive technology for people with disorders such as Down syndrome.
There will be many scientific breakthroughs in all fields, and I think it will be really interesting to see what these breakthroughs are.
The way that we conduct experiments is going to change, but that core scientific method is definitely going to stay.
In the future, science and engineering will take another leap forward and make our lives better.
I think science and engineering would be increasingly reliant on robotics and fusion reactors and quantum computers.
In the future, I hope to graduate as an astrophysicist.
I won't presume to know anything about what it would be like in the future, only that I'd like to be in the middle of it.
If I was the smartest person in the world, I would want to solve the problem with the lack of clean water in third world countries.
Solve the problem of world hunger. Harnessing this issue as soon as possible is vital.
Eradicate all nuclear weaponry.
I would want to solve the problem of superficial judgment of other people.
Science and engineering would both benefit greatly if they just did more to make people believe that science can be for anyone.
Hopefully in the future, science will lead me on a path to benefit other people. And I mean, they say one person can change the world, and hey, it could be me.